A real quick discussion here on this 562 XP cylinder. Uh, this is, we got to clean that up a little bit better, but this is really a nicely designed cylinder. You see the squish band? The chamber. Now I got a plug in mine. I usually get rid of the decomp. These are pretty good from the factory. I mean, something about these 48 millimeter setups are really nice. So I guess what I'm trying to say is on this particular cylinder, I think I'd just leave that. That's pretty good. I mean, I don't really think you're going to improve upon that. Just my opinion. But if I was going to adjust this squish, I've got a mandrel, and I do it by hand. Use a form tool. But like I said, there's really not much in the way of performance here. If you were to make that wider, okay, and take some of that off of there, you'd be changing the time. That's the thing. And the other thing with these cylinders is, your base here, I pretty much just clean this off and use it as is. I don't cut it, or if I'm gonna if I'm going to do something where I want to drop the whole cylinder down, we'll just use a thinner base gasket. There's too many guys out here that are making cuts and making shitty cuts, and your cylinder's ending up like this or like this, and then they wonder why the saw blows up in short order. Alrighty.